I'm Brendan Sorensen, one of the directors of TaT, and I want to take a little moment here to show you around the site, show you how you can harness tens of thousands of pieces of known good data, thousands of case study fixes, tens of thousands of scan tool captures off of actual good vehicles, a team of diagnostic assistants to put your vehicles in there and will get you to the bottom of the problem. All of this underpinned by a 24/7 master tech AI researcher in TaT. So we're logged in here as a TaT member and we can search absolutely anything in this search bar. Let's put in Kia park brake stuck on setting code C2402. We could search via keywords or we can give it to our AI TaT. Now, she is a master tech researcher. Just like any other AI, she'll search the web, but what makes her special, she's the only one with access to our good data there. And that's what AIs love. So she's trying to give you a diagnostic direction in under 30 seconds. We've given her a pretty basic prompt here, not even a model, a year. She's searching through all of our repair solutions, all she can find online, and she's come up with something you could give to anyone out the back to start working through this job with some purpose, right? Things that we should be checking. If we can see the switch being recognized in the module or not, and you'll see that she's going through our repair solutions as well. So she's actually referencing good repair solutions here where we can go in and we can see that this is a similar vehicle. It's setting the same code and all of our repair solutions are laid out in this format, easy to read, gives you the diagnostic sequence. So we could go and do this testing on our vehicle. It's giving us even scope captures here of this one ended up being a failed park brake module, shows us the good and the bad, shows us even for the job that, the module didn't need any programming. It is located up on the subframe. So thousands of case study fixes there for you to go through. Now, let's say we don't have that silver bullet, which we do a lot of the time, but we obviously don't have every problem in the world. Well, we've got good scan and scope data would be the next place to go. So let's go to a model. We'll go to Toyota here. These are going to be sorted via the model alphabetically, but we can sort it any way we want, or we can also search in them. So we could change it up here, or maybe we just want to search for an engine. So we only want 1 GDs. Now, these are good module captures. Engine, we may be looking at ABS data here. This is like having a vehicle out in the car park. Print this out, get your laptop out. You're just going and seeing what's different on yours versus what's going on a known good vehicle. So tens of thousands of pieces of information in there. That doesn't get you? Well, go to our technical assistance. So at any point, you can log a technical assistance case in here. Fill out a short form to tell us what's going on with your vehicle. That gets distributed out to our technical team on staff. Absolute masters, whether it be transmission, diesel, hybrid, whatever their specialty is. So to show you what they look like, we'll open up one of these cases. Now, the member has filled out what's going on here. This is a VW blowing some white smoke. It eventually cut out. And the first response is going to be from TaT. So he's our other AI technician. He's summarizing the case, giving you some things to go and follow within seconds here, giving you the confidence of what he suspects it could be. And then the tech team steps in, back and forth with the member. All members can access this and give their 2 cents as well. And as this case works its way through with pictures and diagrams and oscilloscope captures, we're almost at the end of this one. The reluctor wheel has shifted on the crank and it's not lined up where it should be, hence why it sounds like we've got a cam crank correlation problem there. So if you want access to this amazing resource that will completely change the way you go about diagnostics, get it for free today. 7-day free trial, no obligation. Take a look at the link below, sign up and change the way you approach vehicles in your workshop.